Capricorn acrylic nail art tutorial by Hotpinkzebrapolish. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you the last of this year's Zodiac sign series, which is Capricorn, and I know everyone back in January was so looking forward to this one and so upset that they had to wait an entire year for it, but the year is over, the wait is over, so I hope it was worth it, and I hope you guys like this design. And if any of you from any Zodiac sign are interested in a little giveaway I have going for these nails, there will be a separate video for that uploaded tonight, so I put a link to that in the description box below, so check that out. I'm really excited to share that with you, and don't forget to click subscribe to see all my future videos as well. So I'm going to begin by creating a galaxy style background just like the rest of my Zodiac sign nails, and I'm going to add a layer of blue first and then some black, kind of marbling those together a little bit. Take the one color down the side of the nail so that the lightest, brightest area of the nail actually on this one is towards the side. So add the dark colors on one side, then start adding your lighter, brighter, glittery colors on the other side. I added some teal glitter in there. I can never get away from glitter, so I definitely added that in. And then I'm going to be just adding a little bit of white, really softly in here and there, kind of like a cloudy effect on there, just a little bit, just like so. After you have all that done, go ahead and encase the nail with a layer of clear acrylic to make sure it is nice and strong. I don't know what happened there, but my camera cut out, so I missed a little bit of the encasing process. And then I'm going to be filing the nail into shape with my e-file, starting out with a pretty coarse bit to remove any bulk and make sure that the nail is the right shape and everything looks good. Make sure that you don't file all the way through your clear acrylic, however, or once it hits that really nice teal glitter, it's going to look a little bit less sparkly, or a lot less sparkly. Then I'm going to take a finer bit, and I'm definitely going to go over this nail enough, since this is so much hand painting, and the better and smoother a surface you have to paint on, it's just going to be easier for you. So make sure that you don't go skimpy on your buffing process. Then with the white paint, I'm going to start painting my sea goat symbol in the center of the nail, and I'm going to take, and I started out with a circle, then I'm going to elongate the snout area, take that down a little bit. And when you're doing this, I'm looking at a photo obviously, but you want to just be kind of careful, and with any of these shapes, try to go slow and steady. Don't rush it. I know that I've said this for the other ones, but go back and forth from side to side, create one line on one side, then do the other side, and as you go back and forth like that, so I did the horns, and I'm going to go through and add the ears, you're just going to have better results. Instead of trying to rush the process and do it too quickly, you're going to end up probably frustrated and filing it off and doing it again, which is never any fun for anybody. So after you have your sea goat finished, I'm going to paint the constellation above it. So I'm going to start by adding my little dots for the stars. And after I have all of those in place, the best part of this whole process is playing connect the dots. I have always loved connect the dots, and I can remember when I was like doing kids meal, the kids menu stuff, the coloring on menus when I would go out to dinner with my family when I was a youngin', I would always do the connect the dots, and I would do about half of them, and then I would try to figure out what it was. That was always my process, because I would like to guess what it was before I had the whole picture done. Then after you have that done, paint the Zodiac symbol beneath it. So that's kind of like a circle that you add two extended lines off of, and then add a little bit more off the top of that. So another line off the top. After you're all done, apply a layer of gel sealer, and that is it. I hope you guys like this one as much as I do. If you are into the Zodiac signs, any of them, I'm so excited. I'm doing a giveaway of one of them, and I have a separate video talking all about that. And I'll put a link to that in the description box below, so please check out that. No matter which Zodiac sign you are, you will be included. So please look at that, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!